Welcome to the FlowZone instructional series. In this video, we will be showing how to replace the gasket in your sprayer's tank lid. For this process, you will need a flathead screwdriver. To begin, remove the tank lid from your sprayer by turning it counterclockwise. The tank lid gasket is seated within the threads of the tank lid. An easy way to remove the gasket is by sliding a flathead screwdriver underneath the gasket. Gently place the replacement gasket into the tank lid with the flat side inward. Make sure the ridge is facing out away from the tank lid. Once the replacement gasket is properly seated inside the tank lid, secure the tank lid back onto the tank by turning it clockwise. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need help, our live support team is available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. You can email us at support@wessel.com or call us at 803-339-2500.